welcome to Mason and Shamar's cooking show. Today we got a special one for you.
We got a special one for you today, actually.
We're going to be cooking some mac and cheese
for you. Some hood mac and cheese. Hood.
Let's get right into it.
Let's get right into it.
Alright. We're on camera.
What, family friendly? What is this?
Alright, first, most important step, you gotta boil your noodles. Come on. So we're going to be using the whole box. Everybody eats today. Pour slow. You don't want to hurt yourself. Splash water up on you. Won't be good for you. Now.
Oh, to test it, you stick your finger in the water, don't you?
Yeah, not a good idea. Safety tips. Come on. You gotta stir it. We don't want our noodles sticking together. Why don't you show them how we stir it?
I'll show you how to stir it. All right. So you just wanna make sure you go really fast. So like if the water splashes up, it hits you in the face, and you get a nice tingle in the face piece. You know, just nice and fast. You know.
You whirlpool it. All right. Then you can let it sit until the noodles are soft. Let it sit till the noodles are soft.
Yeah. Should I tell them the ingredients? Or we're not ready for that?
All right, hold on. Okay, while we're waiting for our noodles to get ready, you gotta make sure you preheat your oven to 375. 375. So that by the time we're done with our noodles, we're ready to pop it right in the oven.
375.
No waiting.
375.
Mama gets hungry.
375. You need some salt in there, you know. So you don't go light on the salt here. You really don't. You just keep going with the salt.
All right. All right.
All right.
Sodium machine.
All right. That's enough. That's enough salt.
Honestly, I mean,
We don't. Not with the salt, bro. That's so much.
Good idea. Good idea.
thanks, man.
Good idea. I think that's enough for now. Right?
There's never been such thing as too much salt. There's maybe too much sauce, but yeah, not too much salt.
All right. Looks like our noodles are done boiling here. They're nice and
but I
fluffy.
think they need a little more salt, and then they'll be all right.
All right. Now to the strainer.
Yep.
All right. Bring it over to the sink to strain it. Careful not to burn yourselves.
Oh, you want to burn yourself? That's really dangerous.
You wanna get a rep?
Oh, I'm all right.
This is how we're gonna do it. We're not gonna start with one thing.
Tell me if this makes sense. You know when you have the cheese and the milk and you mix it all together until it melts, then you pour it on top of there, then you put the cheese on top?
You have an IQ of like 30.
Dude, I know how to make food though.
I know how to make food. You just
No, you don't.
You just know how to eat it. You just know how to eat it, okay?
You just told me to pour milk in with the macaroni.
Yes, let me handle the milk.
That makes no sense.
Let me handle the milk. All right. We gotta put our noodles in the pot.
This is a shit.
All right, dude. We need our cheese in here.
All right.
You gotta layer it.
I'm gonna layer it.
We're not shy with the cheese.
Yeah. No, I gotta get a lot of cheese in there. Somebody needs to get the salt.
After we get our first layer, we gotta get it.
Yeah, we got another wrap. You gotta get another wrap.
Second story.
Gotta get another wrap. You just layer that on there.
Spread it around.
Another wrap. And another wrap of cheese in there.
Oh, get the white. Get the white, Shamar.
Oh, get the salt? Is that what you said?
No, get the white cheese.
Oh, alright. I thought he said the salt. Sorry.
We're not shy with the cheese.
I'm not shy with the salt either. Don't forget that.
And the milk. A little bit of milk. Oh my gosh, yes.
You know what?
Throw it all in. Throw it all in.
All right.
Put the top layer.
You know what?
Put the top layer.
You know what? You know what? You know what?
Finish it off.
You know what?
Finish it off.
You know what? You know what? You know what? Put some more cheese on there.
We're not shy with the cheese. Spread it around, dude.
Spread it around. Spread it around. You know what?
All right. Now to the oven.
Salt. Where's the salt?
Put the top on it.
We need the salt.
All right. Before it goes in the oven, we gotta add some extra ingredients: some butter, some mantequilla, and some pepper.
Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm not certified to do this.
Damn, I coughed.
All right. We never had these in the hood, I'll tell you that.
Growing up.
I will tell you. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep going. We like it with a little kick.
That's Cajun.
This is what we call Cajun. Not afraid to put on the seasoning, as you can see. We continue to put on the seasoning. Alright.
Now we're ready for the oven.
Now it's ready for the oven.
Alright, the oven's already been preheated to 375, so let's put it in for about,
We gotta put her in.
for about 30 minutes.
Put her in. Put her the hell in. Oh shit, that's hot as shit. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoops. Family friendly, guys.
Keep it family
friendly.
Alright, now we wait. Alright, it looks like it's been about 40 minutes and our macaroni's done.
It's hot.
It is. Looks delicioso.
That looks good. That looks freaking good. You know what it needs though?
Alright, cut it. We gotta film an outro. No, we're not putting salt in it. I already
Does need some salt.
already done filming. Before we head out, we're gonna have a little taste test from our special guest, K-Mans.
K-Mans is in the building. Take a bite of that.
How is it? All right, that's been it from me and your boy Money Petrie. We'll see you on the next episode. This has been mac and cheese for you.
I'm not eating this shit.